Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2020 Nissan Sentra SR. Powered by a 2-liter inline-4 naturally aspirated, 149 horsepower, mated to a CVT transmission. Overall, it's not bad. It's actually pretty fun to drive. Make sure there's nothing, no water on the camera. Good to go. So, 149 horsepower on paper is not a lot. The car weighs 3,100 pounds. It's fine. Yeah, I was gonna say it's probably filthy. We're in Drive Sport. I do love the suede finish with the orange sport accents. It's just all in all, actually a huge step up from the previous gen, which we have one on the lot currently. Just push a button on the back of the shifter to engage sport. So I've spent time in both now, the previous gen and this new Sentra. At first I liked the previous gen more, not sure why. Now I like this one better. It's just, materials are nicer. Driving dynamics wise, it definitely drives like a higher quality car. Again, we're talking about SR versus an SV that we have, but one thing I wish it had was paddle shifters. It's the only thing I really kind of wish. It doesn't even have any form of manual mode. I think in the SR trim, like they do in the Maxima, they should have put paddles, but whatever. It's a little small thing. Let's see here. You know, it's fine. It's not blow your socks off fast, but you're not gonna be absolutely dying for power. It's fine. You know, car weighs 3,100 pounds, which also means handling is going to be pretty good. Steering feel, it's actually pretty good. It's not too heavy, not too light. Good amount of Goldilocks going on. I'm trying to think of things to say, and there really isn't any. Yeah, at the end of the day, this is just a form of transportation, but it's a good one. This car wasn't meant to be a sports car or anything like that. It's supposed to be a daily driver, a commuter, a first car. And I think overall it excels at that. It's great on gas. I mean, I put 20 bucks in it and it almost filled the thing up. It's just there. I will say, what surprised me about it, handling wise, it's actually pretty good. Overall driving comfort definitely surprised me. And it just, with this generation, I feel like the sticker price has remained similar from the previous one, but what you're getting for that feels a lot better. So I was pretty silent during this drive, but there's nothing that screams, okay, I need to talk about this, I need to talk about that, for good or bad. It's just there. It's way better than the previous gen. That is 100% for certain. And it does everything so well that you're just like, well, yeah, this is a good experience to have. Just for a little daily driver, I would buy one, 100%. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.